In the metals quadrant, gold showed continued weakness, being down 5 of the last 7 sessions. Not an overall big move since this sell-off has begun, but it looks like we're going to finish with the first down week in the last 3 and only the second down week in the last 6 for the yellow metal. However, if this week does finish anywhere near the lows today, which overall today we were only down slightly more than a quarter of a percentage point, this would be the weakest week for gold in terms of price since November 15th of last year. So a pretty decent sized sell-off for the week, even though today was a little muted. The dollar has been higher. That opposite reaction to the dollar certainly hasn't helped, but overall the dollar's been higher for slightly higher for the last 2 consecutive sessions, but it hasn't been much of a move at all in terms of price. Certainly hasn't hurt the sell-off that we've seen in gold, having that dollar higher because of that inverse relationship. And then lastly, there is a potential for a decent sized pop in gold as the India-Pakistan situation ramps up. We've had military strikes back and forth between the two nuclear powers, and they're just absolute deadly enemies of each other. If that were to ramp up to any sort of sizable conflict, you would see money flood into gold, and that's potentially a proxy for a pop in the yellow metal. Hasn't happened enough yet. They've just been isolated strikes, but definitely keeping an eye on that situation if you're watching gold futures.